What a beautiful day! Let's go to the beach. This beach is located at the Pinery Provincial Park. It is about 2 hours and 50 minutes away from Toronto. The Pinery Beach boasts about 10 kilometers of sandy beach on the shores of the popular Lake Huron. It is one of Canada's 5 Great Lakes and is the second largest lake in Canada. One of my favorite items to bring to the beach is a sun tent. It helps to protect my family from the harsh sun. I also like to practice safe swimming by bringing a life vest or swim armbands for the kids, as the waves at this beach can be really high. This beach is a great place to swim, build sandcastles, or just sit back and enjoy the sunset. Our next beach is the Indian Head Cove. It is located in the Bruce Peninsula National Park. This park is about 4 hours north of Toronto. This beach sits on the Georgian Bay. It is a large bay that is part of Lake Huron. The dazzling, special turquoise color of this beach is simply mesmerizing. The beach consists of flat limestone rocks, so I highly recommend wearing comfortable swimming water shoes when visiting. This beach and the surrounding areas are quite popular. Parking is limited, and a parking reservation is required to access these areas. Indian Head Cove is a great place to snorkel. The rock formations, both above and underwater, are so interesting, and it's worth exploring. Thanks for coming along. See you next time.